Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can fix network connection error in PGA 2K25. It's actually very easy. There are some solutions which you can try to solve this issue. Very first thing you can try is to just go to the browser and search for 2K server status PGA. Once you search that, you're gonna see this site from PGA 2. You can just click on that, and that way you'll able to see if the servers are online or not. If the servers are down, then in that case you just need to wait until they back, and once they are back you can just restart your game and start if that helps. So this is basically what you can do if the servers are down. If the servers are up and they are online, you just need to fix it by yourself. So in that case you have to make sure that your game should be updated. If your game is not updated, so make sure to update it to the latest version. Now the third thing you can try is to just go to the search bar if you're playing the game on PC. So what you need to do, just enter here view network connections, and you just need to hit right click on the internet you are using. In my case I'm using Ethernet, that's why I hit right click here. Then go to properties and select this option internet protocol version 4. So if you're playing on console, then you just need to basically go to network and you have to change the DNS. So here we gonna choose this option, use the following DNS server addresses, and here we're gonna enter 8.8.8.8, and the alternate DNS server would be 8.8.4.4, and just click on OK, close this and restart your game. Even after changing the DNS addresses, if your problem persists, then you can just simply switch the internet connection. If you're playing with mobile data, switch it to Wi-Fi. If you're playing with Wi-Fi, switch it to mobile data, and see if that helps. Now at last, if nothing helps, the last resort you have is to just reinstall the game. And that's all there is to it. These were some solutions which you can try to solve network connection error in PGA 2K25. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.